He's gonna see the doctor. Doctor today.
Kayong dalawa?
Injuries.
Game. Divine. I had a move. I'll show you.
Let's try natin.
Steps. Dalawa tayo.
You told Kuya if you
Yung
could practice.
pag manong ka,
I asked him when we go
as much as possible, malaki yung distance natin dalawa.
Walang ano.
Is it still bright
Yeah.
out?
Ayun mo. Pagdalawan.
Leave the house.
Classmates, maganda na kayo para sa inyong panangalian.
Thank you, Kuya.
Eat. Ilan?
Yes.
Oh, sige. Tayo muna tayo.
Ay, sila muna. Ano?
Sila na magluto. Practice na muna tayo. Para.
Ting!
Pag jump, jump. Pag jump mo, boom.
Gawin mo daw yung bakit mo, yung palaka mo.
Palaka.
Dahan.
Koka. Koka.
Kaya mo,
Malaki.
talunan mo siya.
Malaki si Ting eh.
Palakang palaka. Ha?
Malaki siya. Hindi pwedeng ano.
Ilan palaka dapat?
Pwede, dalawang palaka.
Sino gusto?
Malaki ba? O, papi, nilaitan ko yung talon ko.
Dito yung talon mo.
Litan mo yung
Dito yung
palaka.
talon mo.
Di ba you know that thing, do that when inside the rope. One hand? No, they're... Oh, pwede. They want to. Di ba yung...
Sige.
Sige.
Sige, try mo.
But it's hard.
It's hard.
As long as we practice, we can do it.
Sige. We'll make it slower.
Yun na. 3 yun. So, ang tubig, yun ang gagamitin mo. 3.
Silang yung palaka. Eting, ganyan lang.
So, ang tubig, ilamang ang tubig ha?
Siya muna.
3 ang yan.
Yung palaka. Tapos si Divine, mag-isal siya.
3 lang.
Oh,
Kasi
diba?
hindi maubos.
Pwede? Or hindi?
Can you do this, Divine?
Siya muna with another person,
Oh.
magpalaka. And then Divine enters maybe with Tin. Then, siya.
Yeah, girls.
Sige. Kaya niyo? Sige daw, try niyo daw.
Sabay na magpalaka? Hindi. Ako lang ang solo, di ba? Oh,
Sige,
tayo
ayun niyo.
pala rin ha?
Try ko nga. Go, try ko. Meron ako naisip.
Sige.
Sige, meron ako naisip. Pag ganun. Okay lang. Pag ganun. Sige, pag ganyan.
Bakit?
Sige, okay lang.
Gusto mo ganyan? Sige.
Hindi, pag ganun. Okay lang.
Balik ka.
Balik ka.
Sige. Sorry. Sige rin. Baba mo. Baba mo. Baba mo.
Baba ko.
Hanggang Saturday, bukas.
Hirap. Ay, try ko.
Saturday.
Anong araw?
Thursday.
Hirap. Sa baba.
Ha? Oo.
Sa akin.
Sige.
Baba mo yung palaka mo. Ganito yung palaka, ha? Turuan ko yung palaka. Koka! 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 Koka!
Ayun, dalawa na lang ni Johnny.
May partner mo yan dyan, di ba?
Tama, palaka ka na lang. Di ba yung palaka naging prince?
Frog Prince.
Ay, ba? Josera. Tapos sa dulo.
Ga. So, paano na?
Ano, mag-isip pa tayo. Isip pa ng routine na ano.
Pwede ano kayo?
Pwede, we start off with jumping rope, then hila, tapos balik sa, then routine, then V. Kuya,
Oo nga, no?
pwede. Like parang naglaro.
While you guys jumping rope, we're dancing. And then, we do the V.
I think, yeah, also better, longer.
Pwede.
When we're doing the V, we should one person have the same routine.
Yep, and another person pwede
And then
mag-join.
we do, and
So
then
it's
we can
4
do,
persons.
Yeah, yun na lang, dagdag natin.
Apat.
4 people. Same
Sa
thing.
V.
Kasi 15 seconds din yun, oo.
4 persons sa V.
Alisin na natin yung
And then
gano'n.
yung isa na maiwan,
Ganun.
can be the front
Diretso agad
dancer.
sa ganun, sayaw. Wala na yung sayo mo, din.
Oh, ikaw na lang! Because you're the best dancer here.
Or is a good dance?
No, you know.
You can
nandun pa rin.
freestyle.
Ano
Pero, yung group, starting group na tayo.
Coming down.
Diba? Habang nag-jump rope kayo,
Better?
Oh.
So, okay,
Papasok
so
kami
step
dalawa.
this one.
Yep.
And two people.
Tapos,
Four.
V. Ganun pa.
4 people. Wait a minute.
Did you hear it click? Oh my gosh. Oh, I just told Kuya I'm gonna not stop when my leg hurts.
You're gonna stop?
No, I mean like rest. And participate. So that's it, right? And then I'll be here freestyling, and then we'd come. Or we can do that, they can do that, and then turn around and then do that.
Yeah.
Better?
Better if they could.
Longer process for that. And then they can do that. And then do that. Anything.
Pwede.
Doesn't matter. And then come, and then we'll do that thing. I don't know how Roy does that. Yeah, I know. I'm hyper.
Oh, what did you drank coffee?
No, there's nothing.
I'm thinking, So,
yung suggestion ko, yung pag-ano na, yung introduction, yung pag-ganon, alisin na natin yun.
Oh.
Yung pag-ganon.
oh,
Utilize natin yung rope na ginaganon, yung starting natin.
yeah.
So mag-isip tayo ng routine doon. At the same time, nandun pa rin kami dalawa ni Tim.
Oh, yeah.
Pero gagawin pa na natin yung V. Once you're done jumping rope, yun na, gaganyan na. Pag-iwalay niya na kami. Tapos
Pwede.
hindi na tayo. Continue.
Pwede.
Nadagdagan yung ano natin.
Pwede.
Yung rope.
Ayaw ni Kuya kasi kulang ng gamit
Oo.
sa tali.
Oo.
Yeah.
I
It
think
never
we're-
stops spinning.
I think we're using it too much for,
Props.
like a play prop.
Yeah.
Pwede.
Instead of actually.
So sa umpisa pa lang, yung start pa lang, we're using na...
Umiikot na yan.
Umikot na yan.
Umiikot na, siguro. Ewan ko, paano position. Magandang position, dalawa dito. Papasok kami dalawa ni Tin. May nagja-jump rope.
Hindi, di ba, dalawa kayo?
Oo.
So, tatlong tao. So, tama. So, dalawang tao nakahawak, dalawang tao. Tapos may dalawang tao naka-jump rope.
Oo. Oo. Pwedeng pa ganon, pwedeng pa ganon.
Mm.
Pwede.
Oo. Yun na yung pinalitan natin, pero pag-iwalay nyo kami. V na yun.
Mm.
Parang yung nandito sa part na to, yun yung family mo. Dito sa part na to, yung family mo. Parang ganun.
Oo. May family pa talaga. Oo, ganon.
Parang ganun.
For
Oo, nadagdagan
example,
yung ano natin.
kami
O, sa first part pa lang, may nagro-rope na talaga.
dito.
Tin.
So, we're jump roping here. Sila sumasayaw.
Oo.
Tapos, pagkatapos ng jump rope,
Papasok na dyan yung mga characters, like yung frog.
Where would be the most favorite place you guys hang out?
So, a thing is
Yeah. The music.
dito na tayo.
I would go there without her. without
so
things.
there's skipping.
So, yeah, no, I just
Pwede, like, kamay na lang.
open the window.
Dito ka.
Earlier, because we spent so much time together. That was so really. But,
Jump rope.
we have a little fun. And it's just lovely.
May tao dito, jump rope.
Jump rope.
We were just making popcorn.
Dalawa ka.
Me too.
Jump rope. Ewan ko kung anong gagawin nila.
Pag-iwalay na,
Pag-iwalay na.
ganyanin ko.
Oo, pwede. Kaya B.
Just little things like at night.
Di ba yung position mo? Oo.
Pwede.
Oo. Pilitin natin ganun. Hindi. Dagdagan lang natin yung jump rope. Yung umiikot na ganun. Oo.
Wala itong hinihulay. Wala naman.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ikaw, ano sa... Dapat pa dating. Ano sa...
Okay nga.
Idea lang mo sa akin.
Gusto ko. At least may nagagamit
I
na.
really want to go in the house. Please, I miss her so much.
No, you want to stay here in the confession.
Please, please, please.
So is there any last thing you could think of?
Yeah, I have to say, the biggest thing, I suppose, is I just miss every day. Every day she smiles constantly, and that makes me smile. So, I miss her smile.
She is a happy person.
She's always happy. Always happy, always smiling. I miss it. I miss her smile.
Yeah. My knee hurts. Think of something with the rope. Trying to think of something.